These top companies are hiring right now for data and business roles for freshers. First, Swiggy is hiring business analyst role in Bangalore. Only one place of years can apply for this role. Skills required: SQL, Python, Excel, Power BI, and work on real business decisions, marketing, delivery, pricing. You can check all this in job description also. Second, we have associate data scientist role. This requires 1 to 2 years of experience and machine learning and big data skills needed. This is also global market, so you work on real analysis. Third, we have data catalog analyst role. This is the recently posted. This job is, and location is Bangalore. You can check all this in the job description. All these links are provided in the job description. Go through and apply for the jobs. Please make sure you have changed your resume as per the job description. This company works with government's data and business, so it's a best opportunity for getting job in this company. Fourth, we have data analyst intern role. This is the best opportunity for the fresher who wants to start their career in data role, and 0 to 1 years of experience can apply for this role. Excel and basic Python is required, and this is best opportunity for freshers. Don't miss this opportunity. Go through and apply for it. Next, we have data analyst intern role. This is also best for the freshers who wants to start their career in data roles. You can check this in job description. They have mentioned BTech third year and fourth year students, MTech first year and second year students can apply for this role. You must need 7.6 GPA and above with no active backlogs to apply for this role. Next, this is also analyst role, sales operation reporting role. In this you have to analyze the sales data and give the report. 0 to 2 years of experience can apply for this role. Any 3 years of degree can required, and you need to know the skills like Power BI and Tableau, etc. And next one we have, this is a sales point career page. After going to this career, you can get to know all these roles are open for open roles. Data engineer role, and they mentioned data engineer and data analyst here you see. And if you want any another roles, you can go through and apply for that one. I have data analyst role, so here they mentioned bachelor's degree and plus 6 months of experience in SQL and cloud platforms. If you know this, you can apply for this role by clicking here apply. You get the Google form. There you can fill your details and apply for this role, and send a mail to this as per the this job description. Use ChatGPT to write the mail, and you can send it so that you can get the more chances of getting shortlisted. Don't wait, apply fast, and you can get all the links in the description. Go through and apply for it. Thank you.